this episode, we explore the ancient volcanoes of Garrotxa in a hot air balloon before heading to Andorra.
It feels just like someone's back garden.
I know.
Want coffee? James!
Yes?
This guy's excited! Look at that face! So, that's our hot air balloon. I'm gonna fly over the volcanoes today, the ancient volcanoes in Spain, on Garrotxa near Barcelona. I touched the butt! I touched the butt! Guys, today is gonna be a really good vlog because we're doing this, we're gonna drive on some awesome roads up to Andorra. It's just gonna be amazing. What more do you want?
I've never been in a wicker basket really high up in the air before.
There's fire! The fire's going on! We're going up. We're just floating. It feels really weirdly safe.
And also, it's
So peaceful. This is definitely the best way to see anything. It's very peaceful. It feels really weirdly safe up here as well. It's just like we're floating around. And although it's early in the morning, the flames keep you busy.
I'm so glad we did it because we were umming and ahhing about it for so long because it is quite expensive. It's like 170 quid per head.
I'm blown away. I'm feeling high. I'm on top of the world.
Cloud 9?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Which ones have you already used? I think James is feeling a little let down. Here we go. Guys, I can't see a thing because the sun is in my eyes, but that's our hot air balloon. We've just landed in a field in the middle of Spain. We don't know where we are, but that was amazing.
Such a different feeling for anyone who loves flying. Like, it's just a great way to see a place. It's so like peaceful and like obviously it's all open and it just feels like quite surreal that you're just like outside in the air, in the clouds.
James isn't with us right now because he's actually crying with happiness. He's never been so happy. And that's the kind of effect that this baby can have on you. Honestly, it was just pure joy when we were up there. It was amazing. You guys should, if you can, I mean, to be honest, do it wherever. Like, if you do it near your home, it would be really cool too. You get to float over your home. Look at this though, it's so cool. It's literally like something from a film.
We're back at the campsite now and we're just gonna pack our tents away and then we're off to Andorra.
So we are just checking out Piston Head's websites, as they're known, Top Gear type websites, for how exactly to do what's known as the N152, which is the road of dreams. It's a twisty turny road over the Pyrenees into Andorra in France. So we'll see, but it's quite hard. We're a bit confused as to which one we're going to take. Which road exactly it is, it's not clear. So we'll work it out. Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but it's closed. The road we came for is closed. More bad luck, guys. What would you say?
Yeah, it's not great.
Not ideal.
It's the only reason we're going to Andorra.
But
And to say we visited another country to be back.
who would know if we were just to continue over there?
I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Guys, we are about to head through the Andorran border! And yes, we are listening to My Dad Wrote a Porno. Guys, if you haven't listened to My Dad Wrote a Porno, we've been laughing all day long. We're laughing all day long, haven't we, James?
It's kept us going through all the trials and tribulations.
Not only is it James's favourite book, it's also his favourite podcast. Andorra is a mountainous country, a microstate, and it's actually one of the only, if not the only, nation whose head of state is elected by another country. It's elected.
Is it? By who? Spain?
Dual principality.
It's a dual. It is the only dual principality on earth. Its head of state, secular head of state, is elected by the French. It is the French president, and its other prince, head of state, is a Spanish bishop. A dual principality. Welcome to the world's only dual principality.
Religious.
Eliska, you've learned something just then, haven't you?
I have.
You didn't know that I knew that, did you?
I didn't know that you knew that.
So you might be asking, guys, what's going on? Why are you in Andorra? Purely extravagant. We're here just to check off another European country. We have to scratch it off my scratch map. I don't actually think Andorra is even on this scratch map. Done. Right. It's been a long vlog, so see you later. So tobacco is actually a very large crop here in Andorra, you'd be surprised to learn. And guys, this is another surprise for you. I have actually organised for you a tobacco field tour tomorrow.
Whoa! It came with a drone!
Did you do that? Or was that
No, you
purely by
didn't.
chance?
That was purely by chance, and I'm equally happy that that happened.
Oh my god.
But
Have you actually?
yeah,
Have you really?
yeah, I just thought it'd be a funny thing to do.
Excellent. I'm excited about that.
I actually haven't ordered guys tobacco tour, but they don't know that.
See, and